Let's learn how to create a quiz from your chapter using AdvancePrep. First, open Google and search for Concept Gap Finder before exams, or simply search AdvancePrep. Open the AdvancePrep website. You'll see three options: Guest Mode, Register, and Tutor. Since we're creating a free mock test, click on Guest Mode. You'll get a 24-hour guest account with 32 free credits to explore the platform. First, add your child by entering their name, class, and school name, then click Done. Now it's time to upload your chapter. Click on Upload Books. Select the child, choose the subject, then choose whether you want to upload a PDF or images. Upload your chapter PDF. It may take a few moments to process. Once it's uploaded, you'll see the chapter listed on your screen. Now click on Dashboard, then select Take Quiz. Choose the child, select the subject, choose the chapter, pick your preferred difficulty level, and select your quiz style. Now click Generate Quiz. Creating a quiz costs just 6 credits. Once your quiz is ready, answer the questions and click Submit. Your results will be generated instantly. You'll see your overall score, the number of correct answers, and a detailed performance report. You can review every question, check the correct answers, and read the explanation for each one to understand your mistakes. Finally, you can either re-attempt the same quiz or generate a brand new quiz from the same chapter for more practice.